Hello students, I am going to teach you computer subject and this is your first unit. Let us explore our computer operating system and applications software. Tobo, hi Jobo. Jobo, hey Tobo, you are so tech savvy, but I know so little about computer. Tobo, you look thoughtful. What are you thinking about? Tobo, I was just wondering what our teacher said. Tobo, what did she say? Tobo, well, she said that a computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it, and gives an output. Yes, a computer is an electronic device which takes input from user, CPU does processing on it, and gives us desired output. She also said that computer takes input in the form of raw data and converts it into information, but I am really confused. Tobo, whatever is the confusion, I think I can explain you in detail. Raw data, this is a diagram. Raw data means the data entered by the user. Processing, CPU does processing on the raw data and gives us useful information, that is our output. A computer is an electronic device that takes input as raw data, processes it into information and gives an output. It has the ability, a computer system has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. Tobo, oh, sounds so simple. Can you further explain the components of computer system? Do you know them? Tobo, yes, sure. First are the input devices, okay, through which user enters the raw data. Next one is the CPU or the processor. Processor does processing on the input that is entered by the user. It also has a memory component which can store data. Okay. Next are the output devices that converts the input, that is the raw data, into meaningful information. That is into meaningful information and displayed on the output devices. This is all about computer system. Okay. Further, the components of computer system. A computer system is made up of two components. First one is hardware, another one is software. Hardware, next, what is hardware? The physical components of computer system which we can touch and feel are called the hardware. हार्डवेयर क्या होते हैं? वो फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं हमारे कंप्यूटर के सिस्टम के, जो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? टच कर सकते हैं और फील कर सकते हैं. ओके. It is also called a collection of physical parts of a computer system. Physical parts of computer system is also called hardware. Hardware, likewise, humans also have hardware. Hardware, what are hardware? What is hardware? Hardware is all parts of human body. Okay, all parts that make up human body, just bones, muscles, skin, blood. Okay, likewise in computer systems, all parts, all physical parts of computer system make up the hardware. Okay, in the textbook form, hardware is all the pages. Okay, next one is software. Software is a set of programs which governs smooth operation of the computer system. A software consists of instructions that tell the hardware how to perform a task. Okay, software, what is software? It is a set of instructions. Okay, it is a set of instructions which tell the hardwares, okay, which tells the components of computer system that how to perform a particular task. Okay, in the form of human being, what is software? Software is all thoughts. Okay, they are thoughts and mental processes that tells our body parts what to do. And in the form of text box, software is all the letters, words, sentences. Okay, they constitute the software. Next, do you know is very important. Okay, wherever you find do you know, you have to read it properly and learn it. Instructions, what are instructions? These are the commands given to the computer in a language it can understand. Okay, Uh, what are the instructions? That are commands. Okay, instructions are the commands given to a computer. And who gives command to the computer system? Operating system. Operating system क्या करता है? Operating system एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, वो क्या करता है? कमांड देता है हमारे कंप्यूटर को. Okay. Next one is program. Program क्या होता है? It is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Okay. ये set होता है instructions का, जो हमारे कंप्यूटर को बताएगा कि उसे क्या करना है. Both hardware and software are essential parts of a computer system. Our computer system needs both hardware as well as software. In the absence of hardware, software is unusable, and without software, hardware is unusable. Both are interdependent on each other. Okay, they are both interdependent on each other. Okay, they form a usable computing system. Both hardware and software together forms a. Now hands-on is given. Uh, it is go to your computer lab and find out some of the hardware devices being used and try to classify these hardware devices as input and output devices. Now you have to write down some hardware devices and you have to classify whether it is input device or it is output device. Okay. Name of hardware devices. I can do it for you. No, name of hardware devices in the computer lab, or first one is your keyboard. First one is your keyboard. That is the essential input device. Okay. Then classify it into input or output device. This is input device. This is input device. Next one is your mouse. It is also an input device. Next one is your monitor. It is the essential output device. It is the most essential part of your computer. Next one is printer, scanner, joystick, scanner, and you can use headphone. Headphone is an output device. Can you tell me printer is an? Printer is also an output device. Joystick is an input device, and scanner is also an input device. Scanner is also an input device. Next activity, survey the school and find out different types of software being used in the computer lab. Okay, you have to write down different types of software that are used by various departments, or that the softwares that have used earlier or nowadays. Okay, first one is your open office. Next one is your MS Office. Another one is your Tux Paint, WordPad. Write down quickly. MS Paint, Google Chrome, Notepad, Mozilla Firefox, antivirus, logo. That much is enough. Okay. Like Tobo, you have bones and you also look like a machine. A human or a machine? Tobo, I am similar to a computer hardware, as I can take the input, process it, give the result, and also store the information. Do you know that computer hardware can be further classified? Okay. Tobo, oh, really? Types of hardware. Next one is the categories of hardware. Computer hardware is classified into various types. First one is input device, another one is processing device, third one is storage device, output device, and communication devices. What are input devices? Can you give me an example? Okay, keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, or the and and many more. Processing device is only the CPU. Central processing unit is the processing device. Storage devices, it is CD, DVD, it is pen drive. These are various storage devices. Okay, output devices, that is monitor or speaker, printer. These all are output devices. Next one is communication device. Communication device are computer, mobile phones. These are all communication devices, computer and mobile phones. Next one is types of software. These are the categories of hardware and these are the type of software. There are two types of software. First one is system software and another one is application software. Okay, first one is system software and another one is application software. What is system software? System software controls all the hardwares of the machine. Okay, system software control all the hardware parts of your computer. Clear to everyone? And what is application software? Application software is that software that is designed to for a specific application, that is designed for a specific application. Okay, clear to everyone? Now, what is your homework? You have to complete this hands-on activity, and the activity that is given at the bottom of this similar page, page number, that is page number 4. You have to do both the activities, and you have to write the examples of types of hardware. Okay, this is your homework, and you have to read up to page 5. Okay, you have to read up to page 5, and